Sweetheart. Oh, we're up with the leg stretch. You're tired again. I know that fan has got really noisy in the background, hasn't it? I'll switch it off, but then it seems like you like the sound of it. Does the sound of the noisy fan make you sleepy? I think that noisy fan's making you sleepy, isn't it? It is making you feel sleepy. You like that sound? It's like babies like white noise, yeah? You like fan sounds. It's making you sleepy. Well, you do nap if you want to do nap. Do you want a quick power nap? Yeah, you can do nap. Yeah, I know. You gotta sleep, Tuffy, you gotta sleep. You gotta sleep, Tuffy, you gotta sleep. You gotta sleep, Tuffy, you gotta sleep. Yeah, so tired, aren't you? So tired. You're so tired. I know. So tired. The fan makes you sleepy time, night. Yeah, and your tooth purring. Oh, sweetheart. I know. I know, sweetheart. I know. I know. I know. You gotta sleep, Tuffy. You gotta sleep. You gotta sleep, Tuffy. You gotta sleep. You don't want to go to sleep. It was just the fan making you sleepy. Breakfast time? Okay, you're up for breakfast. Or the other half of your breakfast. You feeling sleepy again? That's like half loaf, half sploot. Cute. Yeah, you sleepy again? Shall I leave the noisy fan on? Yes, mister? Ah, there we go. Kicked your legs back, that's good. Yeah, mister? Good boy.